Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, today I will explain a country that is Uni Emirat. So, Uni Emirat Arab or UAE come from what in Middle East. Uni Emirat is was in located in Middle East and it was one of the Arab country. Okay, next. So introduction. Uni Emirat, like I said before, Uni Emirat was located in Middle East on the Arabian Peninsula. So before Uni Emirat was created, Uni Emirat was part of an Arabian, and then uh, Uni Emirat was located in Middle East, and then the second is Uni Emirat was a border of Saudi Arabia and Oman. So Uni Emirat was located become a border of Saudi Arabia and Oman. And Uni Emirat capital city is Abu Dhabi, and the city is Dubai. And so many people think Dubai was a country, but Dubai is a city. It's a city. And then you the UAE is a small country in the Middle East, but it plays a big role in the world. Its capital, as I said before, is Abu Dhabi, and while Dubai is the largest and most famous city, known for tourism, luxury, and innovation. And then the next is the currency. The name of the currency is United Arab Emirates Dirham or A8. The symbol is like this, is Abian or Gitkar A8. And then the code is A8 or Arab Emirates Dirham, and the value if get convert to Indonesian is one dirham is like 4,400 rupiah. The official currency of the United Arab Emirates of Dirham has been used since 1906 but 73, replacing the Qatari riyal. So before the A8 is get used, before the money of Uni Emirat is Qatari riyal. It is a strong and stable currency used throughout the seven Emirates. So the money or A8 was a stable currency that not very low. And next is government system. The United Arab Emirates has a federal monarchy system. This means the country is made up of several states called emirates. Each ruled by its own monarch. Sheikh, the monarch or like the leader is called by Sheikh, but united under the one national government. Like before, I said before, the several state is ruled by their own monarchs or get called Sheikh, but they are still united, become one national. The president usually from Abu Dhabi and prime minister usually from Dubai. Okay, the next, the geography. Wait, here this, the geography. So for the first is the location. The UAE area is located in the Middle East on the southeastern part of the Arabian Peninsula. So UAE was located in Middle East and part of Arabian that located in southeastern. It borders Saudi Arabia to the south and west and Oman to the east. So like for example, like in here was Saudi Arabia and in here was Oman. So UAE was in here. And then it also has a long coastline along the Persian Gulf, also called the Arabian Gulf. And then the landscape. Desert. Most of the land, most all of the UAE land is covered by sand dunes, especially in the empty quarter. For example, like Gulf Al Khali. And then mountain. The Hajar mountain right in the east near Oman. So mountain was located for a border to the Oman. Then coastline. The country has a beautiful beaches and island along the Persian Gulf, and then oases, areas with water and palm trees, like for example, like Al-In, are important for farming. So for farming in there, usually people in there was farm in USS oases. And then for the economy, the UAE has one of the strongest and most developed economies in the Middle East. It is known for its work modern infrastructure and global business environment. So UAE was a strong country from Middle East, and the economy very strong because there was known as a work and infrastructure. And for the main source is very many, but I just tell you two. So first is oil and natural gas. Oil was discovered in the 1950 and become the foundation of the UAE world. So you all know, UAE was known as the rich country that good economy that was get from oil. And then Abu Dhabi has the most of the oil reserves. So Abu Dhabi was the place was so many oil in there. And then oil revenue helped the UAE build cities, roads, school, and hospital. The oil, the money from oil is help UAE for build the places in there, like school and the other. Aviation, and the second is aviation and transport. The UAE is home to the world famous airlines such as Emirates and Etihad Airways. Like you all know, like for example, Etihad Airways is was a famous airline that you all know is always sponsored abroad. And then Dubai International Airport is one of the busiest airport in the world. So Dubai International, so like I said before, Dubai International Airport was the busiest airports in the world. So every day there's what's famous is in there. Then the next is culture and religion. Okay. The religion. First is religion. So main religion in there was Islam. Uh, like, like I said before, UAE was a country that was part of Arabic and was in Middle East. Like you know, in Middle East, uh, the main religion in is Islam. Mosque can be found everywhere, and call to prayer or azan is heard 5 times a day. So because the main religion in there was Islam, mosque can be found everywhere, and azan was every 5 times a day. Friday is the main holiday for Muslim and modern culture. The UAE tradition and modernity, skyscraper and technology exist outside traditional market. The country welcomes people from around the world while still preserving Emirate identity. So the country was very open and welcomes people from around the world, like tourism and the other. The UAE celebrated Year of Tolerance to promote understanding among different cultures. Uh, so UAE celebrates the Year of Tolerance. Okay, next. And then I will tell you a fun fact. So first, like you all know, so, Dubai Police use a supercar. Dubai Police use a luxury car like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, and Aston Martin. Their purpose is not to engage in cases, but to project a modern image and attract tourists. And then the second is the tallest building in the world is in UAE. Like you all know, the Burj Khalifa is in Dubai, but stand in 800 to 828 meter tall. This almost 1 kilometer. This building has a 163 floor and can be seen from the tens of kilometers away. The third is foreign resident outnumber native resident. Approximately 85 until 90% of the UAE population are especially from various countries, and only about 10 or 15% are native Emiratis. And the fourth is very modern transportation. Dubai has the first metro in the Middle East, and the transportation system is efficient, clean, and tourist friendly. Okay, so maybe that's all for me. Just that my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.